Now you know that how do we arrive at the houses in a horoscope, which I have explained as per the North Indian chart and also as per the South Indian chart. And how do we see the houses? After seeing the houses, we have seen what are the rashis, which is called the zodiac signs, how we have arrived and how are the nakshatras placed in the ecliptic, the hypothetical movement of the moon and the sun. Now, before coming to the predictive astrology, how to see your horoscope or how to see somebody's horoscope, we must know what are the components of these zodiac signs, how we denote that what are of their type. According to the Vedic philosophy, we have distributed these 12 signs into 4 tattvas, which is called the components. Basically, this whole world is made up of the 5 components, that is fire, earth, air, water, and also the earth and the sky. Out of that, we take these signs into different components and we divide them as per their qualities, you can say. Now I come to the first sign as fiery sign. Fiery signs are sign number 1, sign number 5 and sign number 9, that is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. When I come to the second component of the signs, it comes to earthy signs. They have got qualities like the earth, that is sign number 2, sign number 6 and sign number 10, that is Taurus and Virgo, Capricorn. Now I come to the third component, that is the airy, which has got qualities like an air. Sign number 3, Gemini, sign number 7, Libra and sign number 11, that is Aquarius. Now I come to the fourth part, which is watery. The sign number 4, that is Cancer, and sign number 8, Scorpio, and sign number 12, that is Pisces. Now I have divided all this into one chart for your ease to remember it more easily: fiery, earthy, airy and watery. Right from the signs fiery, earthy, airy and watery as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now this comes the whole chart. You can remember it now very easily, that how do we arrive and what are the fiery signs, earthy signs, airy signs and the watery signs. Now comes the direction. In this chart itself, you will understand and remember it easily as I have written in the chart sign number 1, 5 and 9. You can give it a direction east. The rising signs of these zodiac signs are, first of all, the first list of these components, sign number 1, 5 and 9, which I have mentioned as fiery signs, their direction is east. Now I come to the second segment of these components, sign numbers 2, 6 and 10, which are earthy signs and their direction is south. Now the third part, sign numbers 3, 7 and 11. This is airy signs. Now the direction denoted for them is the west. Now I come to the fourth segment, which is watery signs, signs number 4, 8 and 12, that is Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Their direction is the north. Now it is very clear what are the components and the directions of the zodiac signs. Now in predictive astrology, we must know which signs are the male signs and which signs are the female signs. To know the qualities of a person born, whether the person is a male or the person is female, doesn't matter, because soul is never a male or a female. But for that soul to know the nature of a person, we also want to know whether that is the male qualities or the feminine qualities. So we have divided into 2 parts, male and the female signs. Now the odd signs are male signs and all even signs are female signs. For more accuracy or for more convenience for your remembering, fiery and airy signs are male and watery and earthy signs are female. This you can see in your chart also for your remembrance. For more clarity of the soul coming on the earth, according to our Vedic philosophy, we have divided them of their caste. Caste doesn't mean what we call it the caste today. No. The caste in that way is denoted by the Lord Brahma as what exactly are the qualities in a man and what he should do. And in Vedic philosophy, the person has been divided into 4 castes. That is, first is Kshatriya, which are the warriors, Vaishya, which are business people, and Shudra, which are service class people, and Brahmin, with those who are teachers and preachers. Now, if you go back to the same chart, where I have given you the 4 components. Now, 4 castes, now you come to the fiery sign. Sign number 1, sign number 5 and sign number 9. That is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. They are called Kshatriyas. Now come to the second sign, that is Vaishya, the person who do the business. That is sign number 2, 6 and 10. Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Now comes to the third caste, which is Shudra, the service class people. That is sign number 3, Gemini, sign number 7, Libra and sign number 11, Aquarius. Now comes to the next caste is Brahmin, the teachers and the preachers. Sign number 4, that is Cancer. Sign number 8, that is Scorpio. And sign number 12, that is Pisces. Now to be more precise on the personality analysis of a person, the soul coming on the earth, we have to be very precise whether the person is active during the day, during the night. We call it as Dinbali, which is called as diurnal, owned by the planets which are powerful during the day are 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 and 12. And if we see on the opposite side, those who are very powerful on the night are called the Ratrabali in the Vedic philosophy and nocturnal according to the Western philosophy. Sign number 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and 10. This completes the total analysis of a person, male or the female, and also whether powerful during the day or the night. We further move on to the nature of the Rashis according to their movement. We have divided this movement into 3 parts: movable, fixed and dual. Movable signs as sign number 1, 4, 7 and 10. That is Aries, Cancer, Libra and Capricorn. The fixed zodiac signs are 2, 5, 8 and 11. That is Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius. Signs 3, 6, 9 and 12. That is Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces. These significations of the different zodiac signs will help you in making the personality analysis of the person, plus very helpful in the predictive part of the astrology.